How to Regrip Your Contact Staff Using Goat Grip by Juggling Calling. My name is Godwin, and today I'm going to show you how to regrip your staff. So take your staff, remove all the old grip, and let's get started. In addition to your staff that you're going to regrip, you're going to need your goat grip, and you are going to need a few different types of tape. Usually one roll of goat grip is enough for an entire contact or dragon staff. And you're also going to need electrical tape, or I prefer silicone tape. And this is going to be for the ends near the wicks. You're also going to need a tape to use to mark the center point. So I like using a UV reactive green. It's very easy to see in the dark. In addition to these tapes, you're also going to need something to use as an adhesive backing, because as you'll notice, this grip comes with no adhesive on it. So we're going to apply carpet tape to the length of our entire staff to give it an adhesive backing. To make this easier, I've pre-cut strips of carpet tape that are the circumference of the staff. In my case, it is 6 centimeters, and so I'm just going to take these and wrap the staff with them all the way down, making sure there's adhesive on the entire length of the staff so that I can then coat it in my goat grip. Once you have completely covered your contact staff or dragon staff in carpet tape, you're ready to apply your goat grip. So you will need scissors, your roll of goat grip, and your silicone or electrical tape for the end, and putting the staff down just for a moment so that you cut off a corner at a diagonal. So I cut off this little triangle, and now when I apply it, it should be flat, and I'm going to start to spiral it around. And as I apply this grip, I want to pull. You'll notice it's a little bit stretchy. We want to keep tension on it as we apply it, so it will stick to the carpet tape as you go. And you don't want any overlap, but you also don't want any gap. You want it to be right next to it. Get that grip as close as you possibly can. Sometimes a small amount of overlap helps, and then you can go in with like your fingernail or a little tool and push it down in, but you don't want there to be any type of like bump. On the end, you're going to want to make sure it's tight and really aligned before you secure it down with the silicone or electrical tape. Once you've used your entire roll of goat grip, put silicone or electrical tape on either end. You're going to take your color tape and mark your center point after balancing the staff on your finger. And I like to go around 3 times just to make sure that it's not going to come off as I'm using it. And there you have it. My staff now has goat grip and it is ready to go. It is a great grip to use in environments where it's a little bit drier, such as Nevada, as well as Arizona, and at Burning Man. So if you live somewhere where there is low humidity and it's a little bit dry, give goat grip a try. It's possible to do moves that otherwise would slide off. So let me know what you think of goat grip. Check it out on the Juggling Calling website and use this video to help you regrip your staff.